Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is part 2 of the food tin can mockup. You can download the PSD file and edit it. The download link is given in the description. Here are some of its features you should know. Present your design with this mockup of the food tin can mockup before printing. The file includes separate layers for the color objects and background. A smart layer for the label helps to apply your design. Premium quality and simple to use. This mockup is an exclusive design of Grapha's mockups for the graphic driver community. 4000 x 4000 pixels 300 dpi. Smart objects for product design. Colors, objects and background can be changed. Photorealistic look. Fully organized layers and folders. PDF help with the explanation video. Thank you for watching.